Hey guys, and welcome back to Ollie Odyssey. You all thought I was gone, didn't you? Well, I'm back and we're going diving down in La Jolla. We're going to go find some sharks. We've actually got the one and only Emily with us. And we're just going to go down, we're going to do some free diving, we're going to go and see what we can find, have a little bit of fun, maybe find some taupe sharks, maybe find some leopard sharks. Leopard sharks are probably more realistic, and maybe even find a turtle. But while we're down there, let's have some fun and rock and roll.
Rock and roll, baby! You realised I kept it on. I got that. You were recording. I got that. Rock and roll, baby!
You ready? Mm-hmm. What are we gonna find?
Just fueling. Some sharks. Likely.
Sharks likely? Well, I hope so. I've just seen a fucking million of them. Right, okay, let's go. Right, okay, so we're gonna first of all find where the sharks are, and what better way to do it than from the sky. I don't even know if we're allowed to do it from here, but we're doing it. Right, okay, so we've got some sharks and there's loads of them. They're not too far off the beach either, so we're right here. Excellent. Right, okay, so we just got out of La Jolla. We're gonna head over to the reef and see if we can find any of the stuff. Now we do know there's loads of the sharks around because we've already seen them on the drone. And there's like loads of them, so we're good. So we're just gonna head over to where all the swimmers and the kayaks are over here. See the little reef and see what we can find. We're aiming for taupe sharks, leopard sharks, and if we're really lucky, maybe a turtle, and maybe some sea lions too, because the sea lions are always hissing about doing stuff, so we'll see what we can find. Pair of idiots behind me.
Bit chilly though. Yeah, bit chilly.
Nipply.
Bit nipply. Bit nipply.
Bit what? Nipply.
Nipply.
Right, okay, so I'd say that was a fairly decent success. We didn't see any sea lions. I kind of like swimming with the sea lions, but that's okay. Saw a heap of leopard sharks. Saw some little rays.
Yeah, so cool. I have a really cool video of the cow nose ray.
Yeah?
Yes.
I got quite a nice one as well. Ella, what do you think?
I loved it.
Yeah? So honestly guys, like if you want to come down and see leopard sharks, it's so fucking
Not the brain.
easy. Right, okay guys, so if you want to go and see the leopard shark, it's super easy. Literally just park anywhere on the street in La Jolla. If you've not got your own scuba stuff or like fins, masks and everything, you can rent them from most of the shops. But it's pretty simple. Just go down, find them.
We can free dive.
That's what I'm talking about, free diving.